name is Ellie, and I'm going to show you how to make a makeup video. So, first thing you want to put powder on. Then you're going to put these eye things. And then you're going to get... Mom, could I have some of your lipstick? So, first thing you want to do, and the next thing you want to do is open this so you could do your cheeks again, and then this, put it on your cheeks again, and you get your eyebrow thing again in your clipper. Mom, what's the next thing you have to do? Oh, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Is it kid one? So, you want to put your lipstick on. I didn't do this eyeshadow on my eyes.
Okay.
I thought it was cheeks thing.
Good job.
So, the next thing you want to do is put more, and then you have to let your mom help too, so you don't make a mess.
You gonna do your eyeshadow?
A second. Mom, is this kid lipstick in sparkles?
Okay, you ready for your shadow?
Yeah, I'm ready. Is this the shadow? Is this one? Does it go on your eyebrows or eyes?
Just like that.
So, then the next thing, you're gonna do your eyebrows. The first thing, you're gonna do your eyebrows next. Then, you're almost done here. Whoopsies. Thanks for watching my video.